Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very beautiful and very easy pattern. This pattern can be used in your ladies cardigan, babies cardigan and sweater. See, this is the look of this pattern. This is one repeat, 2, 3 and 4. See. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern and you need to cast and multiples of 13 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 13 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 28 stitches on my needle, which is 13 plus 13 26 and 2 edge stitch 28. So row 1 right side edge stitch slip, edge stitch knit on the right side, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1, knit 11, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 2 4 6 8 10 11 and purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done purl 1, knit 11, 2 4 6 8 10 11 and purl 1. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. Purl 1, knit 11, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, knit 11 and purl 1. We have done 2 repeats and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 11, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, purl 11 and knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl 11, 2 4 6 8 10 11 and knit 1. Repeat that again. Knit 1, purl 11, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and knit 1. Edge stitch purl on the wrong side. Row 3 right side knit edge row 1 edge stitch slip, and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 11, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, knit 11 and purl 1. That's the repeat. Purl 1, knit 11, purl 1. Again, purl 1, knit 11, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and then purl 1. edge stitch, knit 1. Row 4 wrong side, row 4 wrong side, knit edge row 2, edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here, knit 1, purl 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then knit 1. Knit 1, purl 11, knit 1. Again, knit 1, purl 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, knit 1, edge stitch, purl 1. Row 5, for row 5 one more time, knit edge row 1, edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here, purl 1, knit 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, and then purl 1. Sorry, that's the repeat, purl 1, knit 11, purl 1. Again, purl 1, knit 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and last two, sorry, one edge purl stitch, purl 1, and then edge stitch, knit. Row 6, for row 6 knit all stitches. Row 6 knit all stitches. Row 7, for row 7 edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here, purl 1 and SSK 2 times, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, and knit these 2 together through the back loop. SSK 1, SSK, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, knit these 2 together through the back loop. SSK 2. Here purl 1, SSK 2 times, and then here yarn over, knit 1 3 times, yarn over, knit 1 1, yarn over, knit 1 2, yarn over, knit 1 3 times, and then yarn over one more time, knit 2 together 2 times, knit 2 together 1, knit 2 together 2 times, and here 1 purl stitch, purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, SSK 2 times, 1 2, yarn over, knit 1 3 times, yarn over, knit 1 1, yarn over, knit 1 2, yarn over, knit 1 3, one more time, yarn over, knit 2 together 2 times, 1 2, and then purl 1. Again, purl 1, SSK 2 times, SSK 1, SSK 2 times, and then yarn over, knit 1 3 times, 1, yarn over, knit 1, 2, yarn over, knit 1, 3 times. One more time, yarn over, and then knit 2 together, 1, 2 times, knit 2 together 2 times, and purl 1. Edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 8, last row, wrong side, knit all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat this 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.